How to edit and customize all WooCommerce pages easily and for free, no coding needed tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about how you're going to edit and customize all of your basic WooCommerce pages in the easiest, most simplest way possible, all for free, and you will not need to do any coding in it as well. So it's going to be really easy, it's going to be really simple, and all you're going to want to do is you're going to have a fully set it up WooCommerce account, or a WordPress account. And once you have this WordPress account, you're going to want to get into the in-depth features of WordPress, actual features that it provides you. What you are going to want to do is we're going to add a few, there's different ways to actually edit and customize pages. There's code, okay, which is something that not a lot of people like, but we're still going to talk about it. Although this video is no coding needed, so I'm just going to talk really small about code because, code is pretty, it gives you a really good features to work with. So I'm going to talk really small about code. But yeah, code is the first way. The second way is to use WordPress's very own drag and drop editor. And the third way, okay, is using an external add-on or plugin. Okay, and in our case, we're going to be using a very famous add-on for ourselves. So it's going to be really easy to work with this. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the whole custom detail of how things work. So yeah, to start things off, first of all, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be using our basic, you could say, code lines. And to add different code lines, you can either use some type of store customizer, which supports CSS, or you can add additional CSS through your store, obviously through the whole store editor. So if I come over here, web and design, okay, and over here, you can create new posts in your store. And obviously, as you can see, I have these different snippets of codes over here that I can use to design my store. So basically what code allows you to do is you can make your page so much better. And let me tell you what part of my pages are actually in code. So if I open up inspect element, you can see all these parts of my page that are in code that work with different kinds of codes. I'm going to keep scrolling down, and we're going to get more and more of these things with the different types of styling. You can see the paddings in it, and you can see, all this custom basic CSS that they've added. So, there's custom gap, VR, paddings, and a whole lot more. So really simple and really fun stuff. Then there's different upside blocks as well, where you can go margin left, margin right, margin width, margin block start. Then there's background color. So in our case, obviously it's a variable white, but you can change it to whatever you want. So, and look at that. Doesn't that look much better? So, it depends on the type of, style you're going with. And trust me, if you know coding, then please do use it because coding helps you a lot. So as you can see, I've chosen the color, then you can choose the different tertiary background colors for yourself as well. So let's say in this case, I'm going to go with a bit of a dark blue. So yeah. Then there's border boxes, okay? And that is to size your boxes in different ways, anti-alias it. Then there's your font family, okay? Let's say I'm gonna come here and change the font colors for myself. Let's say I'm gonna go with, a bit of a yellow shade, a bit of a dark yellow preferably. So, but yeah, you get the general point of it. So you can use code, you can use actual inspect elements to work with this. You can also change your font size. You can change your font family, which is pretty incredible as well. So add whatever font family you want to add. Make sure that they're in the HTML library of your PC, or maybe the HTML library of your WooCommerce, and things should work pretty well. So yeah, basically these are the ways you can use code to work with. And then once you're finally done this, make sure to save everything, and look at that. Our site looks much better now with different styles of color and all. I'm going to go back to my home now. Now, once you're over here, basically, Let's try the other two ways that I told you that you can edit and customize all your pages. So basically, the other two free ways are going to be WordPress's very own editor and some external editor. So first of all, let's talk about some external editor. Okay. Now, if you have WooCommerce, then obviously your WordPress has the upgraded business plan, because without that, WooCommerce cannot be added. So I'm gonna assume you already have that, and plugins are a piece of cake for you. Like, free plugins can be added anytime. So in this case, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead in the search bar. We're gonna write Elementor, and once you write Elementor, this is basically one of the most greatest and most amazing website builders out there, and it works the best in my opinion with WordPress and WooCommerce, and trust me, you are not gonna regret using this. I would definitely 100% recommend all the users would you actually use this to customize their pages, because it gives you the best features for the lowest prices, and it's just really great to work with. So really great, really amazing stuff to get your head around. And then moving on, Elementor's plethora of features obviously provides you with the whole society of you could say editables as well. So in our case, you can see it's a basic drag and drop builder, but obviously with this basic drag and drop builder, you get all these different types of features to work with. So really great, really simple. But yeah, this is obviously an add-on. Then obviously comes the very own editor that WordPress has. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna come here. Once you're over here, you're gonna go ahead and click on edit. Once we go ahead and click on edit, it's gonna open up the website editor that WordPress has for itself, and we're gonna work with that. So over here, this is your WordPress editor. You can start editing things by clicking on the plus icon, and obviously you get a whole list of features over here. So, paragraph, heading, list, quote, code, details, pre-formatted, pull quote, table, verse, classic. So you can start just adding, let's say I want to drag and drop things over here. And once, it's over here, you can start adding, whatever you want to. It's a classic editor. Click on save, and it's going to add that line of text over here. And then just go ahead, mess around with things as much as you want. There's different patterns for different kinds of things, contact page, there could be your account page, and a whole lot of other things. So basically, this is the different ways on how you can edit and customize all your WooCommerce pages.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you, and if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments, and yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watched the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.